Hey toppers, how are you? This is day 5, Ignite day 5 for chapter 5, ISC class 11. Entrepreneurship. Chapter name is Assessing Business Attractiveness. Assessing business attractiveness means checking whether a business idea will work in real life or not. It is the process of finding out will the business run successfully, means to check feasibility, this idea will work or not, and we check is the idea practical and possible to execute, will customer buy your product or grab your service, can the business make profit, and is it financially and technically feasible. All these questions will help you to decide that you are going to start this business or not. So this is feasible or not, it is a best test to know whether the business is worth starting or not. Means these questions arise before starting a business. Let's continue the chapter. Chapter 5 key contents of the chapter are technical requirements, market analysis, financial analysis, organizational analysis, and competition analysis. ICSC board given this syllabus, and we are going to cover this chapter in next 15 minutes with tricks to solve answers in the book, to solve questions and give the best answers in your paper, how to present answers. See, this type of flow chart should be prepared in long answer type question. This is feasibility study. Feasibility means this business idea will work or not. To check this business idea will work or not, to do feasibility study, market feasibility, site analysis, supply and demand, capacity utilization, financial analysis, and competition. If I ask a business plan or feasibility study, what you make first? What you say? Obvious. Feasibility study we'll make first, and in feasibility study, yes, we if we observe that this business idea will work, after that, on behalf of this feasibility study, we prepare business plan. So your chapter 6 is business plan, which we are going to cover tomorrow. Before starting any business, an entrepreneur must check if the idea is practical, profitable, sustainable, and competitiveness. This check is called assessing business attractiveness. Assessing business attractiveness. It includes five major analysis: technical analysis, market analysis, financial analysis, organizational analysis, competition analysis, safeguards. Many startups fail not because of bad ideas but due to lack of evaluation. Many startup fails not due to bad ideas but due to bad evaluation. Technical analysis: is it possible to make the product? Technology requirements, machines, software, tools. Product development timeline: in development timeline means if you get raw material, in how much time you convert it into finished product. So for this you need to check idea, prototype, testing, and launch of the product. Then prototyping means trial model to fix errors. In prototype, we conduct a trial model to fix errors, to find errors, and to give creative solution. Supply chain. How we check supply chain? Supply chain, obvious. It will start with suppliers. Suppliers who supply raw material to us. Suppliers, manufacturing, warehousing, and delivery. We get raw material from suppliers. We store it in warehouses or storehouses. We convert this raw material into finished goods. Again, we store it and start delivery to customers or to wholesalers or to person who are working on commission basis. Infrastructure: land, office, power, storage, legal compliance, registration, license, taxes. Real world example: before launching the Apple iPhone, Apple spent months on prototyping to fix screen, battery, and launch issues. Yes, your business will be successful if you work on this. So, Zomato check whether delivery partners, maps, cloud kitchen, and tech apps are ready before expanding to a new city. If Zomato is expanding in different cities, Zomato will check about internet connection, about customers purchasing power, about customers education level. Are they using internet? Do they are they able to order online, or to make digital payment? These questions will help Zomato to launch a business in particular city. Then market analysis. Is there enough demand? Yes, obvious. We need to check about demand, because customer is the king of market. First point is demographic. In demographic, we check age, income, location. Age, income, location, purchasing power, taste, preference, etc. We check in social. Customer pain points. What problem customer face? If we find customer pain points, if we find what customer need, what problem customer is facing, and you give creative solution, obvious customer will take it. Then purchasing behavior, how people buy, why they buy, how often they buy. How often they buy means they are buying it daily, they are buying it weekly or monthly. Like a toothpaste, sale its double by saying brush your teeth twice a day. Automatic, they twice the sale, they make the sale twice, double it. Purchasing behavior, market size and growth, how big the market is it increasing? Real world example, जैसे Mamaearth identified a pain point, chemical free baby products, and they make chemical free baby products, and now yes, you all can see how famous the Mamaearth brand. Then Netflix studied consumer behavior. People prefer monthly subscription plus binge watching. Financial analysis, will the business make money? Will the business make money? Obvious, we need to check startup cost, fixed cost, and variable cost. Fixed cost is the cost which remains same at all levels of output, like EMI of machinery, like salary to permanent staff. And what is variable cost? Variable cost is the cost which changes with the levels of output. That is variable cost. Like if I talk about you, you are spending on your friends. This is variable cost. It depends how your friends are behaving with you, how they are treating you. Are they with you or at some other places? These costs are variable cost. But if you are paying your tuition fee, you are paying it monthly. For this year, your tuition fee is your fixed cost. Tell me in comment section how much you are spending on your friends. Revenue model, how much you are earning, how much you are earning. Subscription, like Netflix is earning from subscriptions. One time sale, like Nike shoes. Premium is like free plus premium, a product or service based, we can say. In starting, they provide few basic features at free, and if you take extra features, extra type, extra help, extra support, extra features, it charge premium. Like Canva, like Chat GPT, and like Spotify. You see so many apps ki your free version is end here, and if you get extra features, pay this much of premium. Like you say ki pay rupee 1 for 1 week, and if you enjoying, after 1 week your premium will be this much. This is called freemium. Freemium, free plus premium. It is a business model where basic features are free, advanced features are paid. So users can try the product for free and only pay if they need extra tools or better features. Break even analysis, like a weighing machine, which shopkeepers use in earlier times, holding like this, like in court near judges. You see that type of weighing machine with two sides, where two sides are equal. That situation is called break even point. One is revenue, other is cost. Break even point, where revenue is equal to cost. It means neither profit nor loss in that situation. Break even point is position of rest, a state of balance, a balance where revenue is equal to cost. That situation is break even point. How you can say break even point is a situation, a position of rest where neither profit nor loss, where revenue is equal to cost. So ROI, return on investment, how much you are earning on your investment, profit and loss statement, income versus expenses. And if you talk about real world examples, Swiggy raised funding because investors saw high return on investment potential in food delivery in urban areas. Then organizational analysis, who will run the business? Who will run the business? HR, obvious HR, human resource. Manpower planning, recruitment and selection. Recruitment is positive process where we are attracting people to apply in our organization so that we can choose the best one. That's why we can say, we always say recruitment is positive process, and selection is negative process. Why? Because so many have applied in our organization and we select only few. Sometimes we select only one, depends up to our requirement. In this we denied so many recruiters recruit the people who applied. So selection is a negative process where we select only few, the best one. Organizational hierarchy, CEO, managers, employees. HR strategy, manpower planning, recruitment, selection. Organizational culture, obvious teamwork, innovation, values. Teamwork help you to achieve organizational objectives efficiently and effectively. Then, if we see about real world example, Google is successful partly because of its open, innovative, employee friendly organizational culture. You know, in previous chapter we studied Google give 20% of time to employees to work on their vision, their passion, their dreams, and for this Google pay to them to work on their dreams. Google pay to them. Tata Group is known for ethical culture, high employee trust, and competition analysis. Competition, what is your USP? Unique selling proposition. How you defeat your competitors? This is your competition analysis. How you defeat your competitors? How you are better than your competitors? Why customer will come to you? They are already purchasing product or taking good from some person. Why they will come to you? What is better in you? Direct competition, same product, Pepsi versus Coca Cola. Indirect competition, alternative products, Uber versus local taxis. Competitive advantage, what makes you better? Speed, price, quality, brand. How you are better than others. Like you are watching video at my channel, not at other channel, and continuously, regularly, each chapter you are preparing from this channel. It means what is special in our channel. It may be real world examples, it may be specific notes, it may be one short video. It, this is called competitive advantage. Clear? Safeguards, patents, protect invention. Patent, you apply for patent when you invent something new, very first time. Copyright protects content, like I wrote a poem, I make a jewelry design, and I don't want that someone will copy this. At this time I will apply for copyright. So copyright is for creative work. Trademark, when brand mark get registered, this is called trademark. Word brand, you are very familiar with the name brand. Brand has three components: brand name, brand mark and trademark. Brand name, which is vocalized, which we can speak, which is utterable. Brand mark, this is a mark we cannot speak it, this is not vocalized, this is not utterable, this we can see. And when brand mark get registered, this is called trademark. Then brand loyalty, repeat customers, when customers will visit you again and again, when old customer resort at same place, that is goodwill. Real world example, if we say Dyson vacuum cleaners have patents that prevent copycat products, and Nike's strong brand loyalty helps it survive heavy competition. If we revise this chapter, we can say business is very attractive if we think about these five factors. Technically possible? If yes, go ahead. Market has demand? If yes, go ahead. Financial profitable? If yes, go ahead. Organizational, organizationally manageable? Yes, go ahead. competitive advantage exist? Yes, go ahead. And all these five answers help you to run a successful business. But keep in mind, if any one factor fails, the business idea becomes weaker. In this 50, almost about 15-minute time, this unit 5, chapter 5, assessing business attractiveness is complete. And in day 6, we'll do chapter 6. How many chapters are there in total in this book? Total 12 chapters. My dear students, please save this video to watch later. Send it to your mother, your father. Like, why? If you forget about the channel, you can click on their WhatsApp chat and find this chapter. So always share it with someone so that you can easily find it again. And the Guru Mantra is what? Always read the chapter from your book and write notes. And the third, the most important factor, teach to someone, to your mother, father, your friend, your classmate, anyone, or teach to yourself only. In this way, you will prepare this chapter 100%. We'll meet in next class.